Welcome to all for ABVK group of institution. Today we are going to learn the social science grade 5 lesson number 9, that is our environment. What is the lesson name? Our environment. Our environment is a beautiful natural world. Yes or no, children? Our environment is a beautiful natural world. It consists. What it will consist? It will consist that people, animal, plants, they are living who are living in the nature or environment. Peoples, animals and plants are living in the nature. And there are four spheres. How many spheres will be there? There are four spheres will be there. So that spheres has a round and solid figure. Spheres means a round solid figure. I told how many spheres are there on the earth. There are four spheres are there in the earth. And there spheres means, what you mean by spheres, children? That means a round solid figure. A round solid figure is known as a spheres. Understood? A round solid figure is known as a spheres. And the environment consists four spheres. How many spheres? Four spheres. Which are those? That is hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. How many spheres are there? There are four spheres. One is hydrosphere and next one atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. So the hydrosphere, can you see the picture, children? See what it will consist? It will consist on the water. Yes or no? It is the layer of the water bodies. What are the water bodies? Ocean, lake, river, pond and river. These are known as water bodies. The hydrosphere is the sphere on the water is very important to exist of the life on the earth. Yes or no? Without water anybody will live? No. So that's why it is very important on the living on the earth. And it is one of the part of the earth surface which is covered by water. So it is one of the part the earth has covered by the water. So the hydrosphere is a total amount of the water. Hydrosphere means total amount of the water found on the earth. So how many percent it will cover? It will cover 71% and land 29%. Our earth, see children, in our earth planet will be then it will cover 71% of water, remaining 29% of land. So that's why the earth is known as a watery planet. Which one? The earth is known as a watery planet. The water includes both sea and fresh water. What it will include? It will include the sea and fresh water. Both sea and fresh water. Both it will include. And what is the source of fresh water? That is river, lakes, pond and rain. These are the main sources of fresh water. Also, next children, water is a constantly motion in the evaporation. The water is constantly in the motion of due to the evaporation and the condensation and prescription. During the daytime, which is very hot, during the daytime it is very hot. So that time what it will happen? Water evaporates from the river. Water evaporates. See, the water will evaporate from the river and it will make a lakes. Where it will evaporate? It will evaporate in the river, lakes and oceans. And it is rise as a water vapor. It will rise as a water vapor. And next one, on cooling this water vapor and change back into the water droplets. Again, it will the condensation which will happen and making the clouds, and again it will make as a water drops. Okay, water vapor changed back into the water droplets and fall on the earth. Once here it will take here, then the evaporation it will take. Again it will make on the condensation. Again it will known as a prescription, and again it will collection. So this is the process of water cycle, children. This is known as a water cycle. So we need water in the several purpose. Yes or no? Without water nobody will live. So yes or no? If you want to live, we need water. So water is very necessity for the human beings, and we are using for the several purpose. What we are using? For the drinking, washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking and cultivation of the crops, manufacturing things, factories. If you want to run the factories and industries, means we need water. Waterways are one of the oldest and cheapest form. Which is the oldest and cheapest form? That is waterways. So in the olden days and all, people they are using most of the time in the waterways. Now also it is very cheapest transport, which is that waterway. Waterways is a very cheapest and oldest transport. And next one, fish and other marine. Okay, fish and other marine, it's a life provide us with the food. So in that fish, octopus, what are there in the water? No, that where they will get food in the water, in the oceans, lakes, sea. Marine is a life, and it will give us food. Ocean influence the climate and coastal region and highlands. What influence? Current found in the oceans influence the climate of the coastal region and highlands. Next, we have to move on the atmosphere, children. Now, once children, you have to see one thing. Take a deep breath. What do you feel? Yeah, don't feel a cold. Yes or no? You will feel a cold, tingling that sensation in your nostrils. Do you know that what it is? Yeah, it is known as a hair. Hair is a part of the atmosphere. I told you, hair is a part of the atmosphere on the earth. See, this is known as the earth, and another one layer like a light blue color will be there. That is known as a atmosphere. What do you mean by atmosphere? The earth has surrounded by the hair. It is called as a atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by the hair. It is known as the atmosphere. And the atmosphere is very colorless. See children, the atmosphere will be the no, that is colorless. Some of the solar radiation, it will reflected by the earth and atmosphere. So it will come to atmosphere. First it will reflect on the atmosphere. Some are informed radiation passes through the atmosphere. Some observed from the greenhouse gases and re-emitted for the all direction by the atmosphere. The effect of this warm earth and surface and the lower of atmosphere. Some radiation of the observed by the earth is surface and warm it. Okay, some of the radiation is observed by the earth surface and it warm it, and it will infect the radiation and emitted by the earth surface. Okay, interference of the radiation, this is known as the radiation will emitted by the earth surface. Next, earth surface is a layer. See children, what is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of the gases surrounding on the planet. Which planet? Earth planet. The earth is surrounded by the blanket. Yes or no? Surrounding on the layer that is known as a blanket of the air, which we call on the atmosphere. It will reach over 560 kilometers. It will reach 560 kilometers from the earth surface. Okay, how many kilometers will be there? It is 560 kilometer will be there. And atmosphere will absorb the energy from the sun. What we are getting from the sun, no, it will absorb here. Atmosphere layer will be there, no, it will absorb and recycle the water and other chemicals. What will, which one it will recycle? The atmosphere will recycle the water and other chemicals, and also it will protect us from the high energy of radiation. That atmosphere will protect us from the high energy of radiation and forget vacuum of the space. Next, the atmosphere will protect us from the support the life. Okay, who will support our life? Atmosphere will protect us from, and also it will protect us. Next, the atmosphere is made up of mixture of gases. You know very well. Yes or no? We know that atmosphere is a layer of the air and it made up of mixture of the gases called air. What are the gases will be then? That is known as called as a air. Which are the gases will be there? First one, nitrogen, children. It gas make up about 78 of the earth atmosphere. How many percent will be there for the nitrogen? It is 78% will be there. And the second one, 21%. What is this? Oxygen. Oxygen. If you want to survival on the earth or on the live, if you want to live, means what we need? We need oxygen. So how many percent will be there on the earth? It will be there in the 21%. And next one, that is a third organ, it is 0.1%, means other gas will be there only 1%. And next we have to see that carbon dioxide. what are the important points will be there for atmosphere? So atmosphere, it will provide the necessary of the gas for living things. Yes or no? Atmosphere will provide the gases for the living things. If you want to survival means live, or if you want to lead the life, and regulate the heat from the sun, just the right temperature of the life on the earth. It will regulates the heat and from the sun and to the just right temperature for the life on earth. And it will play on the important role of the water cycle. Which one it will play with the important role? Atmosphere will play with the important role with the water cycle. The ozone layer protect the earth from the sun, and it will harmful for the UV rays. The ozone layer will be then it will protect the earth from the sun rays, and it is very harmful for the UV rays. And also it will protect the earth from the small meteors. Next, atmosphere. It is a part of the air. Okay, atmosphere is a part of the air, and it is a colorless. Children, atmosphere is a colorless and odorless, means fragranceless layer of the gases surrounding on the earth, where we can see on the surrounding on the earth. And it is like a shield. Okay, it is like a shield on protect on the earth. Which one will protect the earth? The atmosphere will protect the earth from the harmful rays and from the sun. So next, lithosphere. What do you mean by lithosphere? Lithosphere means the layer of the solid and rocks is known as the lithosphere. What are the different types of rocks are there? How does the rocks cycle affect different phenomena in the world? That one we have to know. The lithosphere is the hard shell of the earth. See children, what is the lithosphere? Lithosphere is the hard shell of the earth, and it will consisting the crust. It will consist on the crust, and it is a topmost part is a upper mantle. What is that? See children, it is a upper mantle. See which one is upper mantle? Like a brown color will be there. That is known as a upper mantle. Here black color outline will be there, that is known as a crust, and upon that atmosphere will be there. First atmosphere and the crust, next upper mantle and red color lower mantle, and next yellow dark yellow will be there, that is outer core, and inside one will be there, that is known as the inner core. So these are the parts of the core or lithosphere. So lithosphere is the hard shell of the earth, and it will consist of crust, and topmost part is known as a mantle. It is average kilometer, 100 kilometer of thick will be there. And it contains the minerals. What it will contain, children? It will contains the minerals like a rocks and soil that human have used. We are using for the metals. Which are the metals we are using? Rocks, soils. Why? Because to construct the buildings. Yes or no? And agriculture, we are using the agriculture also. This is known as a lithosphere, and it is made up of solid rock and soil. Which one? Lithosphere is made up of solid rock and soil. It is known as a crust. Which one is known as a crust? The lithosphere is known as a crust. It is the thinnest layer. It is very thinnest layer. Lithosphere is very thinnest layer of the earth, and it is a thinner under the ocean. See children, it is thinner under the ocean and thicker under the continents. You know that continents means a large area of land covered with a land masses is known as a continent. Yes or no? So in that land masses are known as a continent. Continents are very thicker, and when we are looking to the under the oceans, no, we have to see very thinner layer. Below the lithosphere or crust, we have two layers are called. What are the two layers? That is mantle and core. How many layers will be there? There are two layers. One is mantle and another one is a core. In that core also again two part will be there, and that is outer core and inner core. The four layers, which are the main, I told four layers will be there on the lithosphere. The earth is composed for the four different layers. The lithosphere is known as the crust. It is the layer that you live on. Where we are living? We are living on the crust. The border will be there, that is known as the crust. We all are living on the earth, and it is known as the most widely studied on understand for the mental is much hotter and has also ability to flow. Okay, it is very hot. And the outer core and inner core, outer core and inner core are hotter with the pressure. Okay, hotter with the pressure, so great you would be squeezed into the ball. Okay, it will squeeze into the ball as a smaller than the marble. It will a smaller than the marble means gold. If you were able to go to the center of the heart, if you are seeing means you can see. And next one we have to move on the biosphere. The biosphere is the includes those part. See children, the biosphere will be then it will includes the part of the atmosphere. Atmosphere means the layer of the air. Next, hydrosphere means the layer of the water. Lithosphere means the layer of the rock and soil. And ecosphere means it's a layer of the forest. It's a layer of the forest and green things. And these are the things exist in the biosphere. Where we can see in the biosphere. Okay, understood now? Now tell me, what is a lithosphere? Lithosphere is a solid layer. Hydrosphere, it's a water layer. Atmosphere, layer of the air. Biosphere, layer of the life, where the living beings are live. And the layer overlap each other. The biosphere is the layer around the earth that contains all living organism. Where we can see in the biosphere. The concept of biosphere is a common and many scientific disciplines, including the astronomy, geography, and geophysics, and geology, hydrology, biogeography, and evolution, and it is a core concept of ecology. What is that, children? It is a core concept of the ecology with the earth science and physical geography. That what is that biosphere? Biosphere is a physical geography. See children, this is known as a biosphere. Yes, this is known as a atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. This is known as a biosphere, where the non-living organism they can live. That is known as a biosphere. The biosphere reserves the ecosystem with the plants and animals, usually scientific, natural interest. And it is a little given by the UNESCO. It is it is a title given by the UNESCO to help to protect the sites. The plan to promote the management and research the education of the ecosystem conservation. This include the sustainable uses of the natural resources, biosphere reserves, and exchange and knowledge and experience on new ideas for the sustainable development. What is the aim of this biosphere? The aim is get to balance the relationship between the mankind and nature. And what is the other additional notes of the biosphere? Yes, the biosphere is helps by the people in the many different ways. The biosphere is the individual interact with our community. And the biosphere interact among the living things and biotic factors. Non-living things such as the land, water, air make the abiotic environment. And all living organisms, mainly plants, animals, humans, make up biotic environment. Okay, children, there are two types. One is abiotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic environment. So the environment, once we have to revise what and all we are learned in this lesson. So that environment consists that natural world, which is all the living organisms survives. There are the four spheres will be there, which are those: hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere. The hydrosphere is made up of water, and it is very important for the all life of exist. Next one, the atmosphere is the gaseous layer and surrounding the earth. Third one, the lithosphere is the surface of the earth that is made up of solid rock and soil. Next, the biosphere includes those part of the hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere where all the living organisms are found. These are the things we are learned in this class. Yes or no, children? So I think everyone are understood about this topic. So I hope everyone understood. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.